Hi, it's Dr. Steve Warren at Regenerative Wellness Center. Just another tip and idea today. We talked about yesterday some over-the-counter ideas on nutrients. Today, just for a few seconds, I want to talk about the next step up. At our clinic and the research I've been looking at and talking to a lot of doctors over the weekend, is the next step is doing IV vitamin C. Here's an IV bag that you sometimes see in the hospital. Well, we give you the IV bag, and inside this IV bag, we're putting high-dose vitamin C's, 5 grams or more of the right kind of ascorbic acid or vitamin C that's dripped into you. We know from the studies, we know that we want you to continue the oral ones, but I also want you to try the IV vitamin C that gives a higher dose in your body to sort of help protect your body, improve your immune system so you can fight and have a better fighting chance against any type of virus or any type of illness. So we're putting in that the vitamin the C. We're also putting in some micronutrients that you need, the magnesiums and the calciums and the selenium and the zinc that you need to help build up your body. We're putting in a big dose of vitamin B12 to help you. And also in this particular bag, we're putting in some ozone. Ozone is oxygen that's been out of an oxygen tank, a medical grade oxygen tank. It goes through a machine and puts an extra electron on it. So instead of O2, it's O3. And there's several ways that we can do it depending on your degree of comfort and the degree of illness you have or protection that you want. There's several ways of doing it. One is we take the ozone itself, we put it right into the IV bag, and it dissolves right into the fluid here, so it's an ozonated type of water that's going into along with the vitamin C and the other minerals. And then, or we can draw a little bit of blood out of your arm. We put a blood thinner in it basically so it doesn't clot, and we put that blood into the bag, we put the ozone into it, and then that particular ozone hooks onto the hemoglobin, or those red blood cells hooks onto it, and then when we're dripping it back into your body, they go out and start protecting you. It's a strong anti-inflammatory, stopping inflammation in your body. It starts killing those free radicals, killing viruses and fungi or bacteria. It's a really good prevention to help boost our body. So either putting the ozone directly in the saline, or the smarter way, or even a little higher level, is taking some blood out of your arm, mixing it in at the bag, and then dripping it back into you with the ozone. So just at the very end of those drips, then we're giving you the body's strongest anti-inflammatory, which is glutathione. Our body produces this by taking other nutrients together, but we can get the glutathione in an IV form that we push right at the very end that just really boosts your system, gives you that energy, revitalizes your whole body, just really makes your body feel a lot better with the glutathione in it. So that's the next steps that we're going to. There's other agents we can add to it if we need to boost you up depending on your history. So just start looking at it, read about it. And at our clinic, we're glad to talk to you about some of these ideas, but really I just want you to know that there's other steps. We take the oral vitamins and minerals and nutrients we talked about yesterday, then we can go to the IV doses to get a bigger dose into you to make you feel better. So it's about protecting you and protecting your family, and we're here to support you improving your immune system and being a better fighter against any type of microorganism.